Come back with me as we get ready to go to Manila in preparation for the Get Hired job fair. And that is a success. Now it's time to travel. Yes, because I am passenger princess. We're here. May dala akong pang-color ng hair kasi hindi ako nakapag-color sa bahay. But our next stop is sa Mitsubishi San Pablo, no? Mitsubishi San Pablo. We're going to pick up yung plaka nung isang kotse. And we're here. And that is a success. Next, we're picking up Edina. And we're here. University of Batangas. Hello. And we're here. Hello, Metro Manila. And we're here. And we're here. And we're here in our room. So let me give you a quick tour. Room, we paid 3,411. Tapos meron tayong din-deposit na 1,500. Meron siyang restroom. Ay, oh, check. I love it. It's clean. Next, meron siyang laundry. Meron tayong lutuan if you feel like cooking, which we're not, of course. Meron siyang mga space na ganito. It's a condo hotel, tapos meron siyang ganito. Love it. Meron siyang mga space dito para paglagyan ng kung anik-anik. Oh, meron din siyang mga utensils, which I'm sure we're not gonna use. Maingay yung aircon niya pag tumatagal. May TV, that's Papski. Meron ditong sofa bed. And then, this is our view. So, ang perfect niya, ang aliwalas. Meron din tayong kama dito. And of course, we have the cabinet. Meron ding plancha, pero di rin naman natin. And that is a success. So, we ordered food from Super Bowl of China. I am having this. Ito yung kay Papski. And that is a success. Next, we went to SM Mega Mall to get some stuff. Survival kit. Buta pa si Papski. Kaping-kape or. And that is a success. Now we're just wanna quickly make great image. It's been a while. We're just going to explore for maybe 5-10 minutes. See what we can buy. Yung crispy cream mo. Ayan, na-jake ako. And then we're going back to our hotel, which by the way is just 5 minutes walk from here. Sobrang lapit ng hotel, guys. Like, ito yung Mega Mall. So we're currently at Mega Mall. And we're staying here.